Have you ever wondered about the most unusual plants on Earth? Our planet is a treasure trove of botanical oddities, an intricate tapestry woven with some of the most fascinating specimens of flora you could ever imagine. We've scoured the corners of the world, from the densest jungles to the driest deserts, to bring you a countdown of 10 plants that will leave you in awe. These aren't your everyday garden varieties. We're talking plants that baffle science, defy logic, and push the boundaries of what we think is possible in nature. We have plants that feast on insects, trees that bleed, and flowers that could give you nightmares. Intrigued? You should be. We're about to embark on a journey into the weird and wonderful world of botany, a realm where the ordinary becomes extraordinary. So, without further ado, let's dive into the world of nature's oddities. Starting our countdown at number 10, we have the Venus flytrap. This plant is a veritable masterpiece of evolution, having developed a carnivorous diet to thrive in nutrient-poor soils. The Venus flytrap lures insects with its vibrant red interior and sweet nectar. Then, in a blink of an eye, the trap snaps shut, leaving the unsuspecting prey with no chance of escape. The trapping mechanism of this plant is a marvel of nature. It's not just a mindless reaction, but a calculated response to the movements of potential prey. The trap only closes when it detects 2 touches within about 20 seconds, ensuring that it doesn't waste energy on false alarms. The habitat of the Venus flytrap is just as interesting. It's native to subtropical wetlands on the east coast of the United States, particularly in North and South Carolina. Here, it basks in the hot, humid climate, waiting patiently for its next meal to wander by. Nature sure has a weird way of surprising us, doesn't it? At number 9, brace yourselves because we have the corpse flower. This is no ordinary bloom. The corpse flower, or Titan arum, has a bit of a reputation for its less than fragrant aroma. Some say it smells like Limburger cheese, others say it's more like rotting fish, but most agree it smells like something died. This gigantic bloom reaching heights of up to 10 feet is not just noteworthy for its scent. It's also one of the world's largest unbranched inflorescences. That's right, it's one massive flower, and it's not shy about showing off. But don't rush out to catch a whiff just yet. The corpse flower is a rare sight indeed. It blooms infrequently, sometimes waiting for up to 10 years between displays. When it does bloom, the spectacle lasts for just 24 to 36 hours. A flower that smells like a corpse? You can't make this stuff up. Moving on to number 8, we have the pitcher plant. This fascinating plant is a master of deception, luring unsuspecting insects to their doom. It gets its name from its unique shape, which resembles a pitcher or jug. This isn't just for show. The pitcher is a cunning trap. Imagine you're a small insect attracted by the plant's sweet nectar. You land on the slippery rim, lose your footing, and plunge into the plant's interior. There, you find yourself in a pool of digestive juices. There's no escape. The plant's inner walls are slick and steep. You're not going anywhere, and the plant has its meal. The pitcher plant is found in diverse habitats, from the steamy jungles of Borneo to the cool highlands of North Carolina. It's a testament to the extraordinary adaptability of nature, finding ingenious ways to survive in a dog-eat-dog world. Who knew a plant could be so deadly? At number 7, we have a plant that loves to dance. The dancing plant. This quirky green performer, scientifically known as Codariocalyx matorius, has a unique talent. It moves rhythmically, swaying and shaking its leaves and branches in response to music. Yes, you heard it right. This plant dances to the beat, and it's not a slow dance either. Surprisingly, the movements can be quite swift, adding to the spectacle. This fascinating specimen hails from the warm, tropical regions of Bangladesh and India. It thrives in a climate that's as vibrant and lively as its dance moves. The dancing plant loves sunlight, just like any great dancer loves the spotlight. Watching this plant move to the rhythm, you can't help but marvel at the wonders of nature. It's a living testament to the fact that music and dance are universal languages, understood even by plants. A plant that dances? Now that's a party trick. Coming in at number 6, we have the resurrection plant. This remarkable specimen is a master of survival, able to withstand long periods without water. In the harshest of conditions, the resurrection plant curls into a tight ball, appearing as though it has met its end. But don't be fooled. This is merely a self-preservation strategy. When the environment is dry and harsh, it enters a state of dormancy. Its leaves curl inward, and it becomes a desolate brown ball that seems lifeless. Yet, when it encounters water again, the transformation is truly awe-inspiring. The plant uncurls, its leaves spread out, and it turns a vibrant green. It's as if it has been brought back to life. This extraordinary plant is native to the arid regions of the Americas, where it's learned to adapt to extreme drought conditions. It's resilient, it's tenacious, it's a testament to nature's incredible ability to endure and thrive. A plant that comes back to life? Now that's resilience. Halfway through our countdown at number 5, we have the dragon blood tree. A sight to behold, this tree boasts a unique, umbrella-like shape that's not just for show. This clever design enables the tree to catch mist from the air, a vital adaptation for survival in its harsh, desert habitat. But what makes this tree truly remarkable is its blood-red sap. Yes, you heard it right. When cut, the dragon blood tree bleeds a dark red sap, earning it its fearsome name. This sap has been used for centuries in traditional medicine and dye production, adding another layer of fascination to this already intriguing plant. The dragon blood tree is found primarily on the island of Socotra, off the coast of Yemen, where it endures rocky terrain and arid conditions with a resilience that's nothing short of awe-inspiring. A tree that bleeds? Nature never ceases to amaze us. At number 4, we have a burst of color with the rainbow eucalyptus. This tree is the very embodiment of nature's whimsical artistry. Its most striking feature? Definitely its bark that sheds in strips, revealing a technicolor dreamcoat of green, blue, purple, orange, and maroon. It's like a painter's palette, only this canvas stands tall, reaching a towering height of up to 250 feet. This colorful giant is native to the tropical rainforests of the Philippines, Indonesia, and Papua New Guinea. There it thrives in rich, fertile soil, basking in the vibrant life that surrounds it. But it's not just a pretty face. The rainbow eucalyptus is also a fast-growing hardwood tree, prized for its pulpwood, which is used to make paper. So imagine walking through a forest and stumbling upon this towering, vibrant spectacle. Nature's own masterpiece, standing tall and proud, a tree that's a living rainbow, absolutely stunning. Moving on to number 3, we have the jabuticaba. This Brazilian native is unlike any tree you've ever seen. Its peculiarity lies in its fruit-bearing process. Instead of growing fruits on branches like most trees, the jabuticaba sprouts its fruits directly from its trunk. Yes, you heard it right. The trunk is studded with round, dark purple fruits that look like they've been glued onto the bark. And it's not just the looks that are intriguing. The fruits themselves are quite the treat. They're edible and are often used in making jellies, wines, and liqueurs. The taste? A delightful blend of grape and plum. Found mainly in the wilds of Brazil, the jabuticaba thrives in subtropical climates. It's a slow-growing tree, but once mature it can produce fruit several times a year, making it a spectacle of nature's bounty. A tree that grows fruit on its trunk? Nature is full of surprises. Almost at the top, at number 2, we have the Rafflesia arnoldii. This plant takes the title for the largest individual flower on Earth. Imagine a bloom so large that it could comfortably serve as an umbrella for a small person. That's the Rafflesia arnoldii for you, folks. But don't let its size fool you. This giant is no gentle giant. In fact, it's a parasite living off a host vine, sapping nutrients to fuel its own growth. This colossal bloom makes its home in the rainforests of Southeast Asia, where it unfurls its massive petals and releases a smell akin to rotting meat. This stench, while off-putting to us, is a siren call to carrion flies which aid in its pollination. A fascinating example of how nature works, doesn't it make you wonder? The largest flower in the world and it's a parasite? Nature's oddities at their finest. And finally at number 1 we have the Mimosa pudica. This remarkable plant has a unique trait that sets it apart from the rest. It's sensitive, not in the emotional sense but physically. The Mimosa pudica is often known as the touch-me-not plant, and for good reason. When its leaves are lightly brushed or shaken, they fold inward and droop, as if playing dead. Quite the drama queen, wouldn't you say? This fascinating phenomenon is a defensive mechanism against predators, a lesson in survival from the plant kingdom. Interestingly, the Mimosa pudica isn't just a one-trick pony, it's also a night owl of sorts. When dusk arrives, the leaves fold up and the plant goes to sleep, only to awaken and unfurl its leaves with the morning sun. Native to Central and South America, the Mimosa pudica has spread around the globe, capturing the imaginations of plant lovers everywhere. A plant that moves when touched? We've reached the pinnacle of plant oddities. And there you have it, 10 plants you probably won't believe actually exist. From the carnivorous Venus flytrap to the enchanting rainbow eucalyptus, our world is teeming with botanical wonders that stretch the limits of our imagination. Each plant on this list tells a unique story of adaptation and survival, reminding us of the incredible diversity and resilience of life on Earth. We hope this journey through the plant kingdom has sparked your curiosity and broadened your perspective. Maybe you've even found a new favorite plant. Regardless, we hope you've come away with a deeper appreciation for the astounding world of plants and the vital role they play in our global ecosystem. Remember, there's always more to discover, more to learn, and more to share about the amazing life forms sharing our planet. So let's keep the conversation going and continue exploring the wonders of nature together. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating nature content. Thanks for watching.